Hello everyone, welcome to Vijayawada IAS Academy Career Awareness Series. UPSC depth is increasing year after year. Only through books, we cannot get sufficient information to crack the examination. We have to rely on internet. Because UPSC syllabus is very vast. Even though syllabus mentions this much, if you take example of prelims, it mentions only 6-7 lines. But if you see the questions, they are in-depth in nature, particularly related to current affairs. Even for the static concepts also, the existing books which we read like NCERT, like some other books, some concepts are not very clear. No doubt NCERTs are your base, but sometimes if you are not able to understand what NCERT is giving, because they mention in few lines, few pages, that may not give you proper idea, you have to rely on internet. Internet means you can use Wikipedia, you can use YouTube. These are two important places where generally people read if they are not able to understand any particular topic. Another one, maps, Google Maps. Suppose if you are reading geographic concept, generally geography is technical in nature. If you want to know how cyclones, what are the factors behind cyclones, what are the factors behind volcanic eruption, generally you have to visualize. Sometimes students feel very difficult in visualizing just by reading basic books. In that particular context, you go to YouTube, just type how cyclones are formed, how volcanic eruption takes place. Then the moment you watch any video, then whatever topic you read, whatever concept you read from the books, and whatever visuals that are coming from the video, then if they match together, then your brain accepts it and remember it for very long period of time. In that way, try to use YouTube and Wikipedia and images. Maps are images for your preparation. If you visualize and if you look the images and videos, your brain receives faster and you will remember for very long. Instead of scrolling the reels, movies and some other entertainment related videos, you can use internet in this manner. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.